Black hat SEO. Black hat SEO techniques are unethical and against search engine guidelines. They aim to improve a website's search engine rankings by exploiting loopholes in algorithms or violating search engine rules. Some examples of black hat techniques include keyword stuffing, repeating keywords excessively and unnaturally throughout the content, meta tags, or hidden text to manipulate rankings, cloaking, showing different content to search engines and users to deceive search engine crawlers into indexing irrelevant pages, link schemes, engaging in manipulative link-building practices, such as buying or exchanging links with low-quality or irrelevant websites, hidden text and links, using hidden text, same color as the background, or hidden links to stuff keywords or manipulate link equity, doorway pages, creating low-quality, keyword-rich pages designed solely for search engines, which redirect users to other pages, duplicate content, publishing identical or substantially similar content across multiple pages or websites to increase visibility, link farms, joining networks of websites with the sole purpose of generating reciprocal links, disregarding relevance or quality, automated content generation, using software to create low-quality and nonsensical content for the purpose of increasing page count. Black hat techniques may lead to temporary ranking improvements, but search engines have sophisticated algorithms to detect such practices. Websites caught using black hat techniques risk severe penalties, including being removed entirely from search engine indexes, blacklisted. White hat SEO. White hat SEO techniques, on the other hand, are ethical and adhere to search engine guidelines. They focus on providing valuable content and a positive user experience. Examples of white hat techniques include quality content, creating informative, valuable, and original content that meets users' needs and expectations. Proper keyword usage, using relevant keywords naturally and in moderation to optimize content for search intent. High-quality backlinks, earning backlinks from authoritative and relevant websites through valuable content and outreach. Responsive design, ensuring that the website is optimized for various devices and screen sizes to enhance user experience. Fast page loading, optimizing website speed to reduce loading times and improve user satisfaction. Structured data markup, implementing structured data to provide search engines with additional context about the content. XML sitemaps, submitting XML sitemaps to search engines to help them understand the website structure and content. User-friendly URLs, using descriptive and concise URLs that reflect the content of the page. Social media engagement, building a presence on social media platforms and engaging with the audience to increase visibility. Gray hat SEO. Gray hat SEO techniques fall between black hat and white hat practices. They may not directly violate guidelines but could be considered questionable or manipulative. Examples include paid guest blogging, contributing content to other websites with the intent of getting a link back. Press release distribution, distributing press releases with optimized anchor text for link-building purposes. Overuse of internal links, creating excessive internal links to manipulate page importance. It is essential for website owners and SEO practitioners to adhere to white hat SEO techniques to build a sustainable online presence without risking penalties from search engines. Website architecture. What is website architecture? Website architecture refers to the way a website is organized and structured to provide both search engines and users with a clear understanding of its content and hierarchy. It plays a crucial role in search engine optimization, SEO, as it influences how well search engines can crawl and index a website's pages, which ultimately affects its visibility and rankings on search engine results pages, SERPs. A well-structured website typically follows a hierarchical model, starting with the home page at the top. From there, it branches out into categories, subcategories, and individual pages. The goal is to make the website's content easily accessible and navigable for both users and search engine crawlers. Here are some important aspects of good website architecture. URL structure. The URLs of the website's pages should be clear, concise, and relevant to the content they represent. Readable URLs help search engines understand the page's context and can influence click-through rates from users. Site navigation. The navigation system should be intuitive and user-friendly, allowing visitors to find the information they need quickly. Clear navigation also helps search engines understand the hierarchy and structure of the website's content. Internal linking. Proper internal linking is essential for distributing link equity throughout the website. Internal links help search engine crawlers discover and index various pages, and they also aid users in navigating between related content. Breadcrumb navigation. Breadcrumb navigation is a helpful feature, especially for websites with multiple levels of content. It displays the user's current location within the website's hierarchy and provides easy navigation back to higher-level pages. Robot.txt file. The robots.txt file is a text file placed in the website's root directory, instructing search engine crawlers on which pages or directories should not be crawled or indexed. It helps control what parts of the website are accessible to search engines. Responsive design. With the increasing use of mobile devices, having a responsive website design is crucial. Responsive design ensures that the website adapts and displays correctly on various devices, such as desktops, tablets, and smartphones. XML sitemaps. XML sitemaps are files that list all the pages on a website, making it easier for search engine crawlers to discover and index them. Submitting the sitemap to search engines, e.g., Google Search Console, helps expedite the indexing process. Mobile friendliness. Optimizing the website for mobile devices is essential since search engines prioritize mobile-friendly websites in their mobile search results. Mobile-friendly sites also provide a better user experience for visitors using smartphones or tablets. By following these best practices for website architecture, website owners can improve their website search engine rankings, enhance user experience, and increase organic traffic from search engines. An organized and user-friendly website architecture is crucial for successful SEO and overall online visibility.